Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the case and stabilizing the movement so you can work precisely. Start with the correct case opener, a screw-down tool for threaded backs, a thin blade for snap-fit ones. Use steady, controlled pressure to avoid marring. Once the back is off, pull the crown to position 0 and engage any stem lock to prevent the movement from shifting. Place the movement on a soft foam block, then put on a 10x loop and good lighting. Precision now prevents damage later. You now take off the old hands and prepare to install the new needle, working from larger to smaller parts. First, protect the dial with oiled paper or low-tack tape so no tool slips scratch the finish. Use proper hand levers or a 3-prong puller, aligning each tool to the post and lifting straight up. Never twist or pry at an angle, because that bends the arbor. Once removed, seat the new hand on its post and use a hand presser to apply even pressure. Check clearance by rotating the crown several full turns. You finish by reassembling the watch and validating function so the job stays done. Reinsert the stem and crown, ensuring the stem engages the movement, then reinstall the case back, torque screws to spec for screw-down types or press evenly for snap-fit cases. Set the time and observe for at least 10 minutes. Look for smooth rotation, no hand contact, and correct alignment. If the hands bind or stop, do not force, back off the presser. Lift and reseat the hand with a slight offset, or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.